Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to cast off, and I'm going to show you how to cast off in the knit stitch this time because it's the easiest one. So what you do is you've got your knitting and you're ready to take it off the needles. So you knit 2 stitches, and then what you want to do is slide these up to the top, and you want to put your left hand needle into that first stitch and take it over. Now it can be a bit fiddly, so you're best using your finger just to hold that stitch, and you can see it come off. So you've got 1 stitch left on here. So then you do that again, knit the next stitch, and you want to take this one over the top of that one and off the needle, and you do that right along till the end, and you get this finished edge here. So I'll show you again. So you've got 2 stitches on your needle that you've knitted. You take that first stitch, it can be a bit fiddly if it's tight, over the top of this one, and hold it with your finger because, as I say, it can be a bit fiddly at first when you're first doing it. And you just go all the way to the end. So I will just do that now. So you get right to the end, to the last stitch. Oh. Now the only reason I can do it this fast is because I've been doing it for a long time. It doesn't matter how quickly you go. So you've got your last 2 stitches. So you take that first stitch over the top of the second, and that leaves you with 1 stitch. So you want to pull that out a little bit with your needle and take your ball of yarn and pass it through that loop and just pull that tight. And that is the end of your knitting, and then you can weave these ends in, which I will show you in another video, and you've got a piece of knitting.